Good morning everyone, today we'll be looking at another watch that sits in my personal watch collection. We're going to be looking at one of the Mathey-Tissot collection today. So let's get right onto it, shall we? So initial look at the box. I've got this sort of brown beigey sort of style, well it's more like chocolate brown sort of style box. Swiss made print on the top, the Mathey-Tissot logo. Nice line stitch going down that simple folding lid. Rounded off corners, it's a very, very light box. Just simple and elegant, really. Let's have a look inside the actual watch. Inside the box, it's got that full brown consistent thing going all around inside here. This watch is pre-owned because I've had this for years, this watch, so just giving you a quick unboxing of it today. The earlier subscribers to my channel have noticed that I've done these before, but I'm just re-recording these sort of videos just because I've done the personal watch collection video recently, and I wanted to sort of do an in-depth analysis of these ones on the blue mat as well to make it look nicer under a better camera angle as well to get the light for it. So here we go guys, this is the Mathey-Tissot Pepsi 42mm. Has a 8.55mm case thickness. It's not a really thick watch. Retails at the, well, you can get it on a different sort of different prices based on where you get it from, but retails at £270 from the official Mathey-Tissot website. Weighs around about 180 grams. It's not a really heavy watch. Operates on a quartz movement that is actually quoted as a 515H24 AG2 quartz movement. Couldn't tell you what any of that means, but you can have a look online if you wanted to have a look into that spec in a bit more detail. So let's have a look at the face. So looking at the face here, we've got a standard black style bezel, and the theme of the watch is obviously to follow on that Rolex Pepsi style. Fully luminous increments, fully luminous GMT hands, and fully luminous hands as well. All sort of copying and homaging towards that Rolex Pepsi look. And that date dial just sitting down at 3 PM. No markings inside the outer case. So it's just a plain inside actual casing to that face there. Coming out to the bezel, we've got a 2022 onwards bezel. When I say that, if you were to look at, say, a Rolex from 1990 or the year 2000 or something like that, you'll see that the numbers look a little bit more old-fashioned. But you can see on these ones, they're a bit more modern. They look a bit more digital. They're just a bit more modern in terms of the numbers. The actual clicker as well, it's got a decent clicker to it as well. Nice, strong, unidirectional clicker. Quite difficult to move with gloves on, but it's you get the gist of it. Full navy blue and red bottom half to show that Pepsi theme. You've got 100-meter water resistance as well, and it's a fully Swiss made watch. Coming to the casing, got a full, I think it's 316. It might be 316 stainless steel. I couldn't remember what specs. But if that's wrong, then fair enough. You've even got the little the year is founded in the print on the side as well. Don't often see that. You see it with Invicta watches, but you don't often see that finish with other watches. So it's quite a unique touch, that, relative to the Swiss area. Obviously, it's a little bit scratched up just from wearing it. It's actually my second one of these. I did have a Batman of this one a long time ago, but I always prefer the Pepsi. Not going to fiddle with that crown, but I can tell you the crown's got a decent movement to it, and it's got a decent popper, a decent date dial as well. Nothing too shabby for a watch of this style. So coming out to the strap, we've got a 20mm strap, Jubilee style, allowing for a nice merge around your wrist. The strap actually adjusts with little tiny pins. The pins can be a bit funny to be removed, but you'll get used to that. Going down to the clasp, we've got double fold over stainless steel matte finished interior skeleton to the double fold over clasp with a fold down and safety buckle. No sort of deployment buttons or anything, you just flick it out with your thumb. Coming around the inside back plate, you've got a nice globe on the back there with the Swiss made Mathey-Tissot print. And obviously the model number as well on the back there. Just a little bit more information about the watch if you wanted to read it on the back as well. So there we go guys, that is the Mathey-Tissot Pepsi 42mm.